I found this chart that I think it was Brandon discovered on the Tableau public website to be interesting, and I can see his comment that it is could be a little confusing as to why the creator put the bottom up here in the very top. He's colored it in blue, and I'm sure he's trying to make the point that the bottom 90% of the people in the U.S., that their wealth is much, much less than the top 10%. But it's interesting. I went back, I moved this reference point to 1967, which was when I entered the workforce for real, and I wanted to see what had changed since then. The bottom line graphs plot the change from that reference point going forward, and you can see that the bottom 90%, this blue line, they increased up until about 1987, and then their share of the country's wealth has consistently decreased. And you can see that it's down 6.4% since 1967. So it went up to about a 29% increase, I guess, 29.2, and at which point the bottom 90% had 36% of the wealth of the country. And now, if we look up there, the bottom 90% of the wealth has decreased to 24%. So it's pretty interesting, and you can play around with these interactive charts like this. It's quite instructive to show that, I guess if we checked 1987, I think that was Reagan's administration, and this was the point that they started trickle-down economics, if I remember correctly. And if this chart is correct, which I think it is, it shows that once we went into trickle-down economics, the wealth going to the top 1/10% and the top, 1/100%, and the top 1/10% and the top 0.5%, all of those brackets have increased greatly their wealth, while the bottom 90% has dropped precipitously. That is, again, the start of trickle-down economics, and notably, that was when they cut the marginal tax rate on the wealthy down to something that's close to what we have now. So it really changed the dynamics in our economy. It's interesting, and I would encourage you to go take a look at Tableau. Tableau is not hard to use. The public version is almost as powerful as the corporate version, and anyone can upload data. Just get your data formatted in an Excel spreadsheet and then upload it to Tableau, and you can create some amazing dynamic charts. So I hope you take a look.